Hi friends, thank you so much for coming back to craft with me today, and welcome to my channel if you are new here. My name is Alyssa, and today we are making this fun little flip book with a vellum cover, and I'm just using like a leftover 4x12 strip to create this. So this is a cute little 3x4 size, another fun mini project, and so you can see my vellum page here in the front. I just added this little branding strip actually as a decoration, but I like how you can kind of see through the vellum and you can get a little sneak peek of what's inside, and you can still see some of the paper as well. So I have this branding strip on the front and the back of my vellum, and then I just have a side pocket over here. So inside I have this flower sticker and this you and me journaling card. And then over on the last two pages, I just stamped thinking of you over here. I drew this little border around it and kind of messed up, but that's okay. And then I just have an added side pocket over here, which is optional. But I have a little journaling card and a flower sticker in there. And then this page is also a top loading pocket. So you can see my little butterfly poking out there. But that's just attached to this journaling card. And so lots of little pockets in here. I think this would be so cute to give little gifts. And all you're going to need is an extra little strip of scrap paper. So let's go ahead and we can make one of these together. So I have this leftover strip here, and this is actually 12 inches across by 4 inches tall, but I'm going to cut this down actually to 10.5. So this extra piece here you can use as a pocket or something else inside of this flip book, but I'm just going to flip this so you can see where I'm scoring. So now we have our 10.5 inch across by 4 inch tall sheet, and we're just going to be scoring at the 10.5 inch side, and we're going to do 1.5, 4.5, and 7.5. So 1.5, 4.5, and 7.5. Okay, so now I'm going to take this little 1.5 inch strip and fold it this way towards my left. And then I'm going to take these two panels and just fold them both back. And then this last panel here, I'm just going to fold back once more, like so. So let's go ahead and just put this piece aside, and we're going to grab our vellum. So this piece of vellum here measures 3.5 inches across by 4 inches tall. And we're simply just going to hold this at the 3.5 inch side, and we're going to score at 1/2 inch. And we can just fold this. I'll just fold it back and forth, but we really just want this little 1/2 inch tab here to be on our left side, because we're going to be gluing that now into this portion here of our flip book. And that's how we're going to create our little vellum front page. So I'm just going to pop some glue onto my tab here. And then here's what it's going to look like from the top, and we're just going to slide it in this way. Okay, so it's going to look like this. And now we're going to have our front page all set. Another thing you could do too is put the vellum underneath this flap and just glue it down on the side and the bottom. And you could have a top loading vellum pocket here and then glue this part down over top and you could have a side pocket that way. But I like my vellum page on the front, so I'm just gonna keep it like that. So once that's glued in, I'm just gonna flip this over and glue down this for my other side pocket. And close that up. All right, and then we've got these 2 pages, and then we just have to close up the back here. So I'm just gonna open it up and pop some glue on the side and the bottom there. And that'll be it for the flip book. And then we can close that up as well. Feel free to do your notches too if you like that look. But it's so simple and easy to put together. And so you could just create a ton of these for your friends and family. And then, so this other little strip that we cut out in the beginning, I like to just put somewhere else in the book. So you can create a side pocket literally anywhere else you want, or just add it to your scrap pile if you don't want to use this. So I think I'll add this probably over here. So I'll just glue this down. Make sure this can still close. And that's it. So for my cover, I mean, you can really do whatever you want to your cover. You could put a sticker, embellishment, or just leave it blank. But I like to just do my little strip on the front. Like you could do it here, or even here, or just right on the edge. But it just adds a little something else. So this here is just probably like 1/2 inch across by 4 inches tall. But I mean, really you can use whatever size you like. This is just what I'm using. So I'll kind of just place it towards this edge. And then I will put this other piece right on the back. That way you don't see any of the glue on the other side of the vellum. And that's pretty much all I'm gonna do for my cover. And then for the inside here, I think just as an example, I'm gonna use this gift card here. So you could just slide that inside. So this makes a perfect little gift card holder. And then over here, I think I'm just gonna add a little tag and a present sticker into this side pocket. And then I have another sticker here that I used in one of my previous videos, but it's this Warm Wishes heart ornament sticker. And I might actually foam tape this to this side. then last but not least, I have this top pocket in the back. So I took a 3x4 journaling card and I cut down the sides just a little bit so that it would fit inside of the pocket. And for this one, I just added some ribbon in the back here, tried to make it look pretty and ruffly. And I added this poinsettia cutout, so it's like Christmassy themed. And it goes with the paper too, so that's my little journaling card. I'm just going to stick in the back, and it'll probably have to poke out a bit like that. But that's pretty much it for this fun little flip book / gift card holder. So it's perfect for the holidays, no matter what holiday you celebrate. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this fun, quick, and easy tutorial today. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel for more crafty fun and inspiration, and leave me a comment down below. I would love to talk to you, and I love hearing from all my friends. So I'll see you all in my next video, and until then, happy crafting and huge, huge hugs to all of you.